Hello children, we are discussing chapter 4, sorting material into groups. In this chapter we have discussed about what is an object. Anything which we can see or touch is known as an object. Every object is made up of materials. Material is a substance by which an object is made of. These materials are of two types. One is natural materials, the materials which we obtain from nature, which are not formed by us, are known as natural materials. And other ones are the materials which are formed by human beings by combining two or more than two materials in the industries, in the factories. Those are known as human made or artificial materials. Moving ahead, we'll discuss that how the different objects are made up of various kind of materials. In this activity, we'll discuss that these are the following objects. Certain hints are given to you that out of these hints, which object, which material is used to make that particular thing, particular object. For example, for the chair, there are no hints in this. Chair is either made up of wood, plastic, steel or concrete, isn't it? Chair हम सभी की बना सकते हैं बच्चे. You must have seen the concrete fixed chairs placed in your parks, etc. The steel chairs are available in the shops. Plastic and wooden chairs are easily available at our houses. The dining chairs are usually made up of wood, and the usual chairs are made up of plastic. Now, for this, what we have to do is we have to choose the materials by which we can make the cloths from hair only. So, out of these, for clothes, we can use cotton. कपड़ों के लिए हम बच्चे कॉटन यूज करते हैं ना समर्स में पहनने के लिए. We cannot use copper to make cloths. तांबा यूज नहीं करते बच्चे. आयरन से हम क्लॉथ्स नहीं बना सकते. Polyester can be used to make cloths. Polyester is a mixed fiber which we use to make cloths. Next, leather. By leather we can make leather pants, but that is not a usual cloth which we usually wear. So we are not putting in that, but we can make the leather jackets as well from the leather, as well as the leather pants are also available. Next, wool. Winter clothes are usually made up of wool. Nylon. The socks usually made up of nylon. It's a synthetic fiber. Gold. We do not use gold to make cloth, otherwise that cloth is quite too expensive. Silk. Silk is used to make cloths. A very fine fiber we have, that silk is. Aluminium, rubber, steel and canvas, we do not use them to make cloth. So by these material, out of these hints, we can make the cloths. The next is coins. For coins we may use copper. Copper के coin बन सकते हैं बच्चे. Next, for coin we can use silver and gold. So we can use silver as well as the gold. We can make iron as well. Iron coins are also available. We can withdraw iron into coin form. Next is utensils. Iron utensils are used in our earlier times, but iron will got rusted, so nowadays we are not using it. पहले बच्चे लोहे के बर्तन होते थे बड़े बड़े. फिर हमने बच्चे देखा कि आयरन को जो लोहा है उसे जंग लग जाता है बड़ी जल्दी, तो इसलिए हमने उसके बर्तन बनाने और यूज करने बंद कर दिए. नेक्स्ट, फॉर यूटेंसिल्स वी यूज एल्यूमिनियम. The silver color utensils placed in our houses are made up of aluminium. Also, steel utensils are very common. So, out of these are the materials by which we can, form utensils. Next, shoes. Shoes are made up of leather, usually. Next, we can also wear canvas shoes. The jeans type material shoes are available to us that are known as canvas shoes. The next is pen. Plastic is used to make pen, isn't it? And some part of that pen is also made up of rubber. There are certain flexible things are available to us. So, these are the objects which are formed by these following materials. In this activity, what we have to do is we'll discuss the various materials by which we can make a similar kind of object. In the previous part, we have discussed that an object is made up of same material. Now, bache, we'll discuss the different type of objects are made up of the same material. पिछले पार्ट में हमने क्या देखा बच्चे, डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स जो हैं वो एक ऑब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं. अब हम क्या पढ़ेंगे बच्चे कि सेम मटेरियल से डिफरेंट टाइप के ऑब्जेक्ट बनते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल वुड. वुड इज अ मटेरियल. बाय वुड वी कैन मेक द चेयर, window panes. By wood we can make the doors, isn't it? We can withdraw all these things from the wood. We can reframe the wood into these kind of forms. Likewise, the glass. For these we have certain hints are there. इनके अंदर बच्चे जो चीज आएगी उसके hints यहां पर अवेलेबल है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्लास एक मटेरियल है. इन सभी में से हम ग्लास से क्या क्या बना सकते हैं? फर्स्ट थिंग, mirror. We can make mirrors from glass. Next, tumbler. We can make the tumblers from glass. Tumblers are, the broad utensils which are made up of glass. So we can make, out of these we can make the mirrors and tumblers from the glass. Next, iron. From iron we can make nail cutters. Nowadays, nail cutters are made up of steel. After that, from iron we can make various machines. As iron is very hard and rigid, it is used to make the large machine. Next, from iron we can make coins as well. Copper can also be used to make coins, but we can make coins from the iron as well. Next, newspaper we cannot withdraw from iron. Jackets, calendars in the boilers we cannot use them. No, boilers we can. Boilers can be used to boil the water and boil the things. These can be made up of iron. But what is the disadvantage, bache? Iron will get rusted very soon. But they are to be made in our ancestral times. Next is copper. Nowadays the boilers are made up of copper. Rather than this, the coins, utensils, they are also made up of copper. बच्चे coins भी बनाए जाते हैं copper से. बच्चे boilers भी बनाए जाते हैं copper से. So these things are made up of copper. Next, leather. By leather बच्चे we can make shoes out of these. है ना? Leather shoes are available to us. Belts are made up of leather. Rather than this, we cannot make any. No, jackets are also there. Yeah. As I explained you in the previous activity, the jackets are also made up of leather. Isn't it? Leather jackets are available. Very shiny, very bright colored jackets. Very beautiful jackets are made up of leather. Next is paper. Paper is used to make, first thing which we struck immediately is newspaper. Its name indicates paper. So newspaper. Next, calendars. Calendars are also made up of paper-like material, but nowadays calendars are also made up of plastic as well. Next, books. Books contain papers. So these are the various kind of objects which we can make from them. Only one is left, that is pipes. For pipes we will choose iron. So these are the material which we can use to make different kind of objects. In our previous activity, what was that? That various materials will make one object. बच्चे दो कंक्लूजन आ गए. पहला, an object is made up of different kind of materials. एक ऑब्जेक्ट डिफरेंट काइंड के मटेरियल से बनता है. फॉर एग्जांपल चेयर वुड की भी बनती है, प्लास्टिक की भी बनती है, स्टील की भी बनती है और कंक्रीट की भी. उसमें हमने ये पढ़ा. तो एक ऑब्जेक्ट डिफरेंट मटेरियल से बन रहा है. इसमें हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं कि डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स सेम मटेरियल से बनते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल चेयर, विंडोज, डोर्स, ये सब किससे बन सकते हैं? वुड से. मिरर्स, टम्बलर्स किससे बन सकते हैं? ग्लास से. लाइकवाइज कॉपर भी कॉइन्स बना सकता है बच्चे, आयरन भी कॉइन्स बना सकता है. सो नेल कटर मशीन्स, कॉइन्स, बॉयलर, पाइप्स, ये सब किसकी बनती है बच्चे? आयरन की. थर्ड पॉइंट विच विल डिस्कस इज an object is made up of different kind of materials. The first was that various kind of objects are made up of the different kind of materials will form one object. The second is the different objects are made up of same material. बच्चे बड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है लगता है सुनने में. पहले वाले में हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि एक जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मटेरियल से मिलकर बन जाता है, एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट. और दूसरे में हमने क्या पढ़ा कि सेम मटेरियल एक ऑब्जेक्ट बना रहे हैं. ठीक है, अब हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? वन ऑब्जेक्ट इज मेड अप ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वेरियस मटेरियल्स. की एक ऑब्जेक्ट में एक से ज्यादा मटेरियल आए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टी. टी में क्या है बच्चों? क्या क्या डलता है? मिल्क, टी लीव्स, वाटर, शुगर and that's it. Yeah, these are the 4 items which we use to make a tea, isn't it? Some say ginger tea, the flavored tea, that is a different thing bachche. The usual tea is made up of these 4 materials bachche. Next, vegetable curry. For these we have certain hints given in that portion. Vegetable curry is obviously we require vegetables for that. So for vegetable curries, we require vegetable pieces. Rather than this, for palatability, for taste, we require salt and spices for that. So that is also given, spices as well as salt. We also require ghee for that, to fry it. Next, chair. Chair is made up of wood. According to these hints, we have wood for that. Isn't it? Wood doesn't fit another, so we'll include wood in that. Wood. Also, jute will be fitted with that. As certain chairs you must have seen, those have jute back in that. Soft jute back is there. Jute की बनी हुई एक back होती है बच्चे. Next, iron nails. Iron nails are used to combine the various pieces of wood and to be given in the shape of wood, chair, है ना? वुड्स के अलग अलग पीसेस को जोड़कर पुत्र आयरन नेल से वुड ये चेयर बनाई जाती है. तो आयरन नेल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू कंबाइन द वेरियस पीसेस. नेक्स्ट, टेरिकॉट. इट इज अ मिक्स्ड फाइबर which is made up of terylene and cotton as its name indicates. So terylene and cotton. The next 3 things are left and one object is left, that is concrete. You must have seen the concrete which is used to make the roofs, the lintel of the roofs. The concrete is made up of cement mixed with some sand and gravel. So cement, sand and gravel are used to make concrete. रेता और बजरी बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में बच्चे. These 3 are mixed together along with water. Water is also required for that. Vegetable curry is also required water, but water is not given in the hints, isn't it? तो water चाहिए ताकि हम उस concrete को बना पाए. The next, from all these 3 activities, we reach to a conclusion. The conclusion is an object may be made up of different materials. एक ऑब्जेक्ट अलग अलग तरह के मटेरियल से बनता है. Second, different type of objects can be made from same material. एक ऑब्जेक्ट डिफरेंट काइंड के मटेरियल से भी बन सकता है और डिफरेंट टाइप के जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो सेम मटेरियल से भी बन सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, एन ऑब्जेक्ट मे बी मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स कंबाइनिंग टुगेदर. दैट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वेरियस मटेरियल्स may produce a single object. For example, another example rather than this is a biscuit. To make biscuit, we require fine wheat flour, maida. We require sugar. We require vanaspati or desi ghee as you like. Also, with that we require water to make the dough. सबसे पहले बिस्किट बनाने में उसका आटा गूंदा जाता है. So these are the various kind of materials which are used to make single object, that is a biscuit. Likewise, these are the examples in which various kind of materials are combining together to make one object. So these are three conclusions from this activities.